panicking on that.
Will arrive at your destination at 9 a.m.
Stop. So single carriage, the speed limit is not a target unless it's safe to do so. You can go near. Never be hesitant on single carriage if it's safe to do so. On dual
Turn
carriage,
right, then at the end of the road, turn right.
Unless you're very close to your exit.
Turn right.
I'm following us.
Be extra cautious on this junction.
Yeah.
Because I still could not see the cyclists from far end.
Okay.
So sometimes they can do
And they
really
can whiz out.
fast.
Okay.
Yeah. So try to peep and creep a little bit more.
Okay.
After 300 yards, go left on the roundabout. First exit, then keep left. Go left on the roundabout. First exit, then keep left. Keep left. After 400 yards, keep right. Keep right. After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout. Third exit. Go right on the roundabout. Third exit.
When you approach to the roundabout, try to de-accelerate your car with your gas pedal first and then go to your brake. It's fine if you're a little bit slow toward the roundabout. The speed was quite fast, your car was a bit close to the left-hand side. Okay, remember, on close to this roundabout you got 3 lanes and they're a bit faded as well.
I didn't actually need to signal either, did I? Because when I got to the people signal. But
After 300 yards, go left on the roundabout. Third exit.
So the next roundabout is not the third exit. It's the second exit. It's a fault in something. So de-accelerate now, you guys.
Go left on the roundabout. Third exit.
Stop here for him. That's your serious one. Don't let him to join. Okay? Make sure, keep looking where is that diagram so you know exactly where is the second exit. Plus again, if you want to go right, you stay
Take
far
the
right.
exit, then keep
straight,
right.
Stay far left, not in the middle, okay? So unfortunately that was your serious fault.
Okay.
Of course, stopping between two sides.
Okay.
After 200 yards, keep right. Keep right.
If you could not see the diagram, the blue line there, you easily see it. The blue line was going toward 10 o'clock, not 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. So drive a little bit slow
After
next time.
800 yards,
So I think
bear
that's the
left,
reason
then take the second right.
you ended up in the middle because you wasn't sure where's your exit. Okay. Try to go in the middle of it. So I'm still thinking about it now.
Bear left, then take the second right.
Now Laura, he's telling you second right. I want you to see inside a sat nav and reconfirm if he's right or left at the end.
Turn right, then at the end of the road, turn left. Turn left.
Good. Okay, I want you to pull up on your left and
At the end of the road, turn left.
What was the actual due date?
6th of November. He actually born nearly 4 weeks and 4 days.
Oh, I mean,
Yeah.
well, that's good that he's doing so well because that's a lot.
He's actually, surprisingly, he was quite fluffy the first day. Like, he wasn't feeding, not even moving, and I was a bit scared. And quite teal colored as well. I think he probably was shocked.
Yeah,
to it. A caring person, I'd say.
Turn left.
So probably would feed even if you don't want to.
That's a good one.
So try to work with your positioning a little bit more first before you start. Maybe I should warn people there with some yellow strip line. I think because it's quite visible, that's why.
After 300 yards, turn right.
Try to de-accelerate the car with the gas, but ease off your gas, let the car slow down. And do middle signal.
Turn
Now
right.
with the brake, you slow down more your car. Keep eye on the moment you might cross the road. Okay, pull up on your left hand side after the white car and in a safe place, please. You say price, they're gonna swing behind you to go to the driveway on
At the end of the road, turn right.
Because they don't bother you reversing still. So from here, Laura, try to de-accelerate you guys. Downhill car will still not too much de-accelerate. You might need to use an extra brake.
Turn right.
See, it's nice and peaceful if you are going toward.
You don't want whiplash, is what you're saying.
So whenever it's safe to do so, can you wash and clean your rear windscreen for me, please?
Nope. Wrong one.
Thank you. You washed everything, didn't you?
I wash everything.
Yeah, good washer.
Turn left.
Mirror first. It's okay. And now positioning first. Beautiful, that's better. Keep turning, otherwise you're going to go wider. Okay, never pull out straight from there. The road is really small. Keep turning as you pull out until you can see the curve.
After 300 yards, go left on the roundabout. First exit.
For me, please. Such a time I picked.
Go left on the roundabout. First exit.
You're still away from the curb quite too much. Now try to stay close. Okay? See the curve and stay reasonably more close. Especially when the road is downhill, use a little bit extra brake.
After 400 yards, cross the roundabout. Second exit. Cross the roundabout. Second
Work
exit.
with your position first. Correct your position fully. Extra brake, extra. And then observe for oncoming. Because they are downhill, car automatically can go faster if you don't press extra brake. Whenever it's safe to do so, you can change your lane to the right.
After 800 yards, keep left, then cross the roundabout.
So the roundabout is after the exit actually. Some people they do get confused with, like they expect you to see the roundabout first. Actually we need to take the exit first, and that exit will take you to the roundabout.
Yeah.
I was teaching someone last time who said I was waiting for the roundabout.
Yeah.
He said it. And then, I say you see the blue line that goes down first and then
Keep left, then cross the roundabout.
I was in a swing yesterday.
After
My son,
300
since then I
yards,
feel
cross the roundabout.
Oh.
I feel a
Second
bit
exit.
dizzy
Oh, no.
when I was there. I used to feel like this when I was a kid,
Yeah.
but after so many years I experienced the same thing.
Oh.
And he was like, chill
Cross the roundabout. Second exit.
Daddy gonna be in trouble soon. I try to resettle myself, like by telling it's fine, nothing gonna happen. But still, I felt more and more sick.
Oh.
I had to get off myself from there. It's could not bear with that. Okay, whenever it's
After
safe to do
400
so,
yards,
change
go
the
right on the roundabout.
please.
Second exit.
Hold up. And try to figure out where is the test center. Ride slow if you need to. Keep your gas pedal off. Give yourself more time. The planning is more important. Raise the test center.
Right.
That's it. And do your own planning.
Go right on the roundabout. Second exit.
Well done. Good. See, we need to know always where is before roundabout. This is the way in future you're going to be traveling. But let's say you go for some interview, you need to find out which way to go. But always make sure in the start, give yourself plenty of time. So you don't need to swear much before the interview.
After 200 yards, turn left. Then take the second left.
We're going back to test centre.
Yes, it's closed now. You can easily go there. So you can practice these junctions again. Good opportunity.
Turn left. Then take the second left.
You know, surprisingly, even on your last attempt and this attempt we have exactly the same mistakes.
Turn left. Then you have reached your destination.
I remember we had the roundabout fault and the second was the speed sign fault. So we have not improved.